If you're a business owner thinking about starting YouTube in 2026, now is the perfect time before AI makes everything boring. Let me explain. Now, AI has become the default for everything: content creation, client acquisition, solving problems. Every business is using it, which means everyone is going to get bored of the same AI generated value. And people will start to crave human interaction, real feedback, genuine connections. And that's where you come in. That's the gap that separates you from everyone in 2026. Because people already know the solution to their problems. I can go to ChatGPT right now and ask it, how do I get more leads for my business? And it will tell me to start posting content. So I've got the solution in probably under 5 seconds. But here's what AI can't give me: the belief that I can actually do it. And you get that by watching people who actually did the same thing that you want to do. And that's what people actually want. Not the solution, the proof that that solution actually works for someone like them. I can confidently say that in 50, 100 years from now, AI will never be able to give you that belief. It can't show you real people's results. It can't say, yeah, I struggled with this thing and here's what I did to fix it. And right now, business owners are relying too much on AI. They're automating everything: their scripts, their content creation, their client acquisition, everything. And it makes their content sounds exactly like everyone else, because everyone else is using the same output that AI gives them, which means there's a gap. There's a gap for you to share and give that same solution that AI gives, plus your actual story, your actual results, or the results of the people that you help. And I'm seeing this happening right now in the real estate industry. With, you can see like every real estate agent has the same video ideas, the same titles, the same thumbnails, and they just swapped cities, like top 5 neighborhoods in Austin, top 5 neighborhoods in Denver, best places to invest in North Carolina, best places to invest in Miami. It's all the same thing. It's all the same content. It's all same scripts. So for business owners who show up as real humans and give actual results and tell their stories, people will connect more with those type of people than the people who use AI. And the reason for that, because people are starving for it. Everyone right now is using the same tactical advice. And it works. Like, the tactical advice is actually working. Like, it's not that ChatGPT gives you like bad advice or something. It actually works. But for people to take action on what you say, they need the human proof. They need to see the results. And how do I know this? Because I actually lived it. Before I started posting content about YouTube and businesses on this channel, I used to post video editing content, like video editing tutorials, because it was easy to generate ideas using AI. But here's the thing: everyone was doing the same thing in my niche. Everyone was posting the same tutorials. Everyone was doing the same content. So no one was connecting with the content. They were just watching to get the value, like you do in ChatGPT. You ask it a question, you get the value, and that's it. And move on. And I started to realize that all of those channels that I looked up to in the video editing niche, they started changing their content to become more human. So they started posting their results and the results of the people they help, because they saw what's happening. They knew that people don't need another tutorial. They just wanted to know if it's possible for them to do the same. So your goal isn't just to post tactical content and solve people's problems, because AI already does that 10 times quicker than you. Your goal is to show them that it's possible for them specifically. And you do that by either showing your actual results and journey, or the results of the people that you help. And that's where YouTube gives you that AI doesn't. Real people, real results, not just solving problems. And I'm not saying that you only post case study videos and show your results and the other people that you helped. You still need to give tactical advice. You still need to show that you know what you're talking about. So basically you need to prove that you're as good as ChatGPT at giving the result and the solution to the problem, plus giving that human result that AI can't. You need both. You need to be tactical and you need to be human. And you do this by weaving in the results into every single video that you make. You just don't make an only tactical video and an only results based video. Because if you only show the results without showing that you know the strategy, people won't trust you. And if you only show the strategy without showing results, you're competing with AI. And AI can do it faster than you. So let me show you how this looks in practice. I have a client, a business coach, and when we started working together, he was only posting tactical videos. And at that time, it was getting views and it was getting a decent amount of clients. But times have changed. Getting clients from only tactical videos is not really possible anymore. You need to show the results. So we started posting videos, doing interviews with his clients, showing their results and how he helped them achieve those results. And people started signing up from those interviews. They trusted him with the tactical advice and they connected with those interviews because they saw people just like them achieve the results that they wanted. And that's the system. You mix in tactical value with real human results. You need both of them working together. So if you're a business owner and thinking about starting YouTube, now is the time before everyone realizes that AI content is boring and starts rushing to be human again. Because I guarantee you this, by the end of 2026, all of the content you're going to see on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram is going to be raw, authentic, just people sharing their stories, sharing their mistakes, and giving value and advice to people to learn from those mistakes. That's all of the content is going to be like by the end of 2026. No one will be sharing like 5 tips on how to do this, 5 tips on how to do that. Everyone will be sharing their stories. And if you don't start now, you'll be scrambling to catch up to the people who will by the end of 2026. Now I can tell you everything about YouTube. I can tell you all the strategies, how to make the perfect title, the perfect thumbnail. But to actually get something going, you need someone to bounce ideas off of. You need someone to give you real feedback on the content that you're making. In the description, there's a link to my offer. A 12-week program where we work together one-on-one on your content strategy. I'll give you feedback on every single upload. We work together on video ideas, what videos you should be posting that's tailored towards your ideal buyer. Because in 2026, you need human input. AI can read your scripts and it can give you generic advice on what to improve on, but it can't watch your videos. It can't feel emotions. And that's what sells. So now you know why being human is your advantage in 2026. But showing up as a real person isn't enough. You still need to know what videos to make. And most business creators just guess. So watch this video where I show you how to stop guessing and find the exact video formats that work for your business.